Previously on. Okay, not previously. This is the first episode. So, welcome to Sleeping Patterns Across Engineering and Beyond. Meet Doms. He's an engineering student at Bohol Island State University and spends his day juggling one subject to another. The question is, how many hours does he usually sleeps every day?
Hi everyone and welcome to our vlog presentation. Today we were talking about something all students know about, sleep. You've probably heard people saying engineering students never sleep, or non-engineering students have more time to rest. And we wanted to check if this is really true. That is why we chose this topic. Sleep is important for health, focus, and grades. But many students sacrifice sleep because of schoolwork. If one group sleeps much less than the other, then it can affect their well-being. Now, we need to know if this difference actually exists. The goal is simple: to compare how many hours engineering and non-engineering students sleep and see if there is a real difference between them. To get real answers, we interviewed students from both groups. Let's go!
And I'm here with Sandy from BEd 22, Christine from BEd 22. How many hours do you usually sleep? 6 hours, 5 hours.
So I am here with...
Hi, my name is John Landon Rubia from BSCE Social Studies.
So how many hours in average do you usually sleep?
In average, my sleeping hours is 5 to 6 hours.
So I am here with...
Kian Laiko Sarabia from BSME.
Orville Vincent Domingo from BSME.
Kent Ernest Bernadette from BSME.
So how many hours do you usually sleep?
I usually sleep 4 to 5 hours. Average, usually 4 hours.
7 hours.
6 hours.
Okay, thank you.
And I'm here with
I'm Bernabe Cortez, BSN 3B.
Thea Pamela Doroy, BSOA 3B. So how many hours do you usually sleep?
Hours is 5 hours gina siya per me.
Around 6 to 7 hours. Okay, thank you.
So now I'm here with...
I am Reynaldi Magdayo, Bachelor of Science in Electrical Engineering, 3rd year.
So I have a question for you, sir. How many hours do you usually sleep?
I slept 4 to 5 right now because of some projects and activities in school. Also the exam that makes me lack of sleep, and that's all.
So now, right now I'm here with...
Jory Claire Romano, Renaline, Jolimi.
So I have a question for you. How many hours do you usually sleep?
I usually sleep 6 hours.
I usually sleep about 7 hours.
I usually sleep at 6 hours.
So thank you for your answers.
And I'm here with...
Roland De Los Santos from BSCE for 4th year.
So how many hours do you usually sleep?
I usually have 6 hours of sleep.
Thank you.
So I'm here with Maria Sheila,
Shian.
Shiril. So how many hours do you usually sleep? 4 to 5 hours.
4 hours.
4 hours. Okay, thank you.
And there you have it. We didn't just rely on assumptions. We went straight to the students. Aside from those short interviews you just saw, we formally collected our data using Google Forms. This made it easy to reach 25 engineering students and 25 non-engineering students, giving us a total of 50 respondents in just a short time. Once we gathered all the responses, we compiled and organized the data carefully. To analyze it properly, we used Jamovi, a reliable statistical software perfect for our study. Let me show you exactly how we set this up. Our independent variable is the student group, engineering students versus non-engineering students. Our dependent variable is their reported number of sleep hours per day. Our goal was to test if there is a real difference between these two groups. Normally, when comparing two groups, we use the independent samples t-test, but this test only works if certain conditions are met. So before looking at the final result, we first checked the key assumptions required for our analysis. Let's move on to our findings. Here is our analysis. First, here's a summary of our data. This gives us the big picture right away. For engineering students, the average or mean sleep is 5.18 hours. Its median is 5 hours, and the standard deviation is 1.13. For non-engineering students, the average or mean sleep is 6.10 hours. Its median and a p-value of 0.019. Since p is less than the alpha 0.05, the normality assumption is violated. This means our data does not follow a perfect normal distribution, so the standard student's t-test is not the right choice here. Second is homogeneity of variance using Levene's test. We get f, which is equal to 0.268, and p equal to 0.607. Here, p is higher than the alpha 0.05, so variances are equal. But since normality failed, we use the non-parametric alternative instead, the Mann-Whitney U-test. This works perfectly even when normality is violated, so our results remain accurate. To sum it up, because normality was not met, we rely on the Mann-Whitney U-test for our conclusion. Here are the final results. From the Mann-Whitney U-test, we have a U statistic of 169, p-value of 0.005, mean difference is negative 1 hour, 95% confidence interval is between negative 1.5 to negative 0.5, and the effect size is 0.459. Just for reference, the student's t-test also showed similar results, where t is negative 2.69 and p is 0.01. But again, the Mann-Whitney result is the valid one for our data. Now let's interpret this in simple terms. First, our p-value is 0.005. That's way lower than our standard threshold of 0.05. This means the 1 hour difference we saw is not just luck or random chance. It is statistically significant. The confidence interval confirms this too. It ranges from negative 1.5 to negative 0.5 hours. So we are 95% sure that engineering students truly sleep between half an hour and 1.5 hours less than non-engineering students. Our effect size of 0.459 tells us that this is also practically meaningful. Losing an hour of sleep every day affects focus, energy, health, and even grades. So this isn't just a number. It's something that impacts students' daily lives. So to put it simply, yes, our study proves that engineering students really do sleep significantly fewer hours than non-engineering students. Let's wrap this up with our conclusion and recommendations. For our conclusion, based on our data and correct analysis, there is sufficient evidence to confirm that there is a significant difference in daily sleep hours between engineering and non-engineering students. Specifically, engineering students sleep significantly less. Now let's have our recommendations. For the university, conduct wellness programs and seminars focused on sleep health and time management, especially for engineering students. It also helps to review workload and deadlines to reduce excessive late-night studying. For students, remember, rest is part of success. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep daily, keep a consistent schedule, and manage your time well so you don't have to sacrifice rest for studies. For future researchers, you can expand this study with more respondents or dig deeper to find why this happens, whether it's heavy projects, exams, or other commitments, to create even better solutions.
Thank you for watching our video. Do you relate to this? Comment down in the comment section and don't forget to like and subscribe.